Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the AC compressor on Opel Meriva. The serpentine belt on this car is located on the side of the engine, and the AC compressor is located also on this side of the engine. It's located right there. It's on the bottom of the engine. We can see the pulley on the AC compressor is missing. That's why we're going to replace it. The AC compressor is held by 3 bolts, one there, one on the bottom and one on top. That's the bolt here on the bottom right there, and there is one on top over there. There's also 2 AC lines that we need to disconnect and also an electrical connector. I'm not going to show you how to remove the serpentine belt, as there is no serpentine belt here because the pulley is missing. I'm just going to show you how to remove the compressor. First, we start by removing the bolts holding the AC compressor to the engine. We start with the bottom bolt. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we're going to remove the top bolt holding the AC compressor. Next, we're going to remove the back bolt, the rear bolt on the compressor. It's right there. Now that the 3 bolts are removed, next we can see that the AC compressor is loose. Next, we can remove the bolt holding the AC lines. Now that we've moved a little bit the AC compressor, now we'll be able to get the bolt for the AC lines from the top. That's the AC lines right there. It's very hard to get it from here, but from top with long extension we'll be able to get it. Here I'll try and show you the bolt, but I don't know if we'll be able to see it. We can see it a little bit. I'm going to use this long extension in order to get the bolt. You might want to get somebody to go underneath the car, and when you put the long extension through, just someone else to help you guide the the socket into the bolt. And now we'll loosen it and remove the bolt. And that's the bolt removed. Next we're gonna go again underneath the car and remove the AC lines and the electrical connector, and then we can take out the compressor. And that's the AC compressor out. Putting it back on is in the exact reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.